Welcome to day 13 of our 30 days pattern drafting. We're making progress. Today we shall be making this dress on your screen. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to extend our shoulder. A sleeve is a kimono sleeve. So we're just going to start by first extending our shoulder to place a piece of paper under our bodice. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to extend the height of our shoulder by ½ inch. Go on and do the exact same thing for the back. Here I have gone ahead and drafted the sleeveless kimono. The back and the front matches, which is what your pattern is expected to look like. I'm going to rotate the start to this point. We have done this severally, so it shouldn't be a problem. I'm going to do this on speed. So I have gone ahead and rotated the front bodice that. We draw a straight line as a guide. We're going to do the same thing for our back bodice. We'll go on and label this our side back. And then label this our side front. So this is our side front. And this is our side back. So we're going to go on and draw our style line. This is our waistline, we already know. So at this point here, we'll come down by, say, 2 inches. We'll go on and mark 2 inches from our waist line. Do the same thing for the back. Redraw our waistline like so. Do the same thing for the front. From the shoulder, we're going to measure to get our bust point. And draw a straight line like this. Do the same thing for the back and draw a straight line. You go on and slash. So we're going to label it 1F and then 2F for guidance and 3F. Do the same thing for the back. So we're also going to label it 1B, 2B, and then 3B. Front and back to meet at this point and glue them together. The waist area of our front and back have been joined together. This is side back number 2 and then side front number 2. We're done with the waist. To number 1 of both side front and side back. We're going to create slash lines on both the front and the back bodies to enable us spread and create gathers. So you go on and spread it as you wish. Place a piece of paper under. So I have gone ahead and spread it. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it like this. This is what our front bodice now looks like, 1F, remember. So I'm going to do the same thing on our back bodice. And so this is our back 1B and this is our front 1F. Now we're done with the top. We're also done with the waistline, which is 2B and 2F. We're now going to go on and create slash lines on our CF. To do that, we're going to measure this into 2. Next, we're going to slash this line. So we'll place a piece of paper under like this. This is supposed to allow us create the pleats that I've gone ahead and joined this paper in between them. I would measure, say, 1 inch here and measure another 1 inch somewhere here. The width of this paper is 4 inches. This here would create our box pleats that you can see on the dress. It is an interesting dress, and this has created our box pleats. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. Place another paper under like so to eliminate this curve at the hip area. To give it an A-shape effect, we're just going to draw a straight line and use a curve to connect it to our hem. So then go on and slash the, and this is our front. So I'll go ahead and repeat what I did to our front to the back. Here it is. I have gone ahead and cut my pieces together. This is our center front, the upper front, and this is the lower front, and a part of this is our waist. That's continuation of our waist. This part here of our waist is going to be attached to this part. Whatever you do to this part, make sure that your pleats and everything fits into this piece. This is our front, number 3 front, and this is our number 3 back. Because our patterns are all facing the same place, when cutting yours, ensure that they face different direction. Your front faces this side and your back faces the other side, so that when joining you would not be confused. So when joining, ensure this is what you're going to do. Your CB will flip just like we flipped it on this side here. It will flip like so and meet here. You join everything together, you create the pleat, and make sure that it fits into this